Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with eSetter, the August teaser. It should be a great one. So here it goes, eSetter, August 2025 teaser. Friday, the 1st of August. The name game. Solomzi and Nandi disagree on naming their baby Franz Jr. Nandi still insists on the name Franz Jr. despite Solomzi's warnings. Monday, the 4th of August. Cutting off the umbilical cord. Reeves is heartbroken when Solomzi asks for the umbilical cord, feeling excluded from the welcoming ceremony. Kamavovo performs a fake cleansing ritual on Nelly. Tuesday, the 5th of August. Dead ends and detours. Reeves attempts to reconcile with Solomzi. Reeves' attempt to reconcile with Solomzi is firmly rejected. Meanwhile, Nolita makes a shocking discovery after Reeves secretly recorded their conversation about Kanya's poisoning. Remember Kaya? Kaya was the Sanyaga Mam Nomsa, right? Who owned the businesses and managed the businesses. And in his time, the businesses were moving super well. All right, let's continue. Wednesday, the 6th of August. The truth behind the truth. Nandi names her baby Kaya. Oh, nice. Which deeply upsets Reeves. Reeves becomes overwhelmed with resentment and ends up ruining the ceremony by forcing Nolita to confess to unaliving Kaya. Thursday, the 7th of August. Confessions and consequences. Nolita's confessions causes chaos and Nomsa becomes so angry that she turns violent. Langa tells Tenjiwe he loves her. Oh, wow. Langa and Tenjiwe and not Nelly. But Nelly interrupts, creating even more drama. Friday, the 8th of August. Justice for Kaya. Nomsa reports Nolita to the police for Kaya's unaliving. Supported by Solomzi. Apologies for the call. Let me read Friday again. Justice for Kaya. Nomsa reports Nolita to the police for Kaya's unaliving. Supported by Solomzi. Nolita is arrested despite Kuma's help. Monday, the 11th of August. Tangled loyalties. Nolita refuses legal representations or bail, while Kuma tries to convince Nomsa to drop the charges against her. Unexpectedly, Reeves offers Nolita legal help. Tuesday, the 12th of August. Sleeping with the enemy. Oh, Kosiam Nolita, yo. No, let me continue. Nolita tells the police that Reeves planned Kanya's unaliving. Reeves denies it when called in for questioning. Nomsa kicks Kuma out of the Sokulu house and Reeves faces serious trouble. Wednesday, the 13th of August. Law and lies. Nolita's statement triggers a police investigation, with Nomsa pushing for Reeves' arrest. Bulelani's house gets robbed and Nka's security service earn recognition for recovering the stolen items. Hey, Nka. All right. Thursday, the 11th of August. No greater sin. Tenjiwa gives Nomsa proof that Reeves was involved in poisoning Kaya. But Nomsa doesn't believe her. Nolita confronts Nomsa and reveals that Kuma was involved in Jobe's unaliving. Friday, the 15th of August. The missing docket. Nolita reveals Kuma's secret to Nomsa. Not aware, Kuma plans to rescue Nolita. Kuma steals Nolita's docket, potentially changing everything. Monday, the 18th of August. Prison break. Nolita's docket goes missing, stalling Kuma's plan to free her as Simelane refuses to help. Nolita demands Nomsa clear her name, and Nomsa reluctantly agrees. Tuesday, the 19th of August. Keeping up appearances. Tenjiwe makes friends with Kinanti. a homeless boy, and invites him to lunch. Solomzi and Nandi share a passionate moment together. Wednesday, the 20th of August. A thief in the light. Baby Kaya mysteriously goes missing, throwing the family into a panic mode. The family receives a ransom demand telling them to meet at the depot. Baby Kaya uyazibona bazalwane ungeke shem. Thursday, the 21st of August. The Lazarus of our time. Ribs return unexpectedly with baby Kaya, creating friction with Solomzi. Meanwhile, Kinati wins over Tenjiwe and Bulelani. Though his motives seem suspicious. Friday, the 22nd of August. You can run, but you can hide. Tenjiwe grows close to Kinati, unaware of his hidden agenda. Kinati's past resurfaces as he seeks fake documents to maintain his cover with Tenjiwe. Monday, the 25th of August. A soldier is always prepared. Langa, Ribs, and Nkunzi set out on a dangerous mission. Langa and Ribs suffer the general's anger after failing their mission. Tuesday, the 26th of August. The price of concern. Bulelani and Velaphi uncover Kinanti's identity as a corn artist, but struggle with how to tell Tenjiwe. Amid the chaos, Nomsa is taken hostage. Wednesday, the 27th of August. Desperate times. I'm going to extend it and says calls for desperate measures. Okay, let's continue. Desperate times. Nomsa is held hostage by the general, pushing Kuma into a desperation as he ignores Nolita's pleas to rescue her. Kuma is unable to gather enough funds and resorts to stealing from the church. Thursday, the 28th of August. Taken. The general takes Nandi hostage and puts the baby in a freezer, leading to a shootout where Solomzi is injured and Nomsa calls for help. Friday, the 29th of August. Mission Find Nandi. Langa is determined to find Nandi. As time runs out, Ribs and Nkunzi race to locate the general and rescue Nandi. There's rescuing and all in the attempt of Nandi and Solomzi being okay. I think the writer loves Unandi so much. Like, that's just me. But let's continue. Premiere episodes of Isita, The Enemy, air on ETV from Monday to Friday at 21:30. Do watch the episode, but do not forget to come here if you want to know what's going to be happening each day. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl, Adisebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.